SecureLite is the Special-Lite solution for security glazing and intrusion-resistant applications. This vision kit accommodates glass thicknesses of 1/4 inch, 5/16 inches, 3/8 inches, and 1 inch. It offers a secure 1/2 inch or 1 inch glass bite, through bolt assembly, and a finished look with no visible fasteners. For this reason, the product is also chosen for standard glazing applications when the lack of visible fasteners is desirable. These extruded aluminum kits can be factory anodized in one of 6 colors or painted in one of 20 Kynar colors to provide a match or to complement your overall color scheme. SecureLite is also now available with integrated muntins. When paired with security glazing, SecureLite offers the critical advantage in intrusion resistance: time. Here, the lower light kit with regular 1 inch glazing is easily compromised. But the upper light with security glazing takes abuse from, first, a baseball bat, second, a hammer, and third, a sledgehammer. All without failure. This not only illustrates the effectiveness of the glass, but the bite of the light kit to hold the glass during flex. In this case, the would-be intruder will simply seek out easier entry points.